Guys, good morning. Today's the day we're tearing out those two driveways I was talking about. It's gonna be a super easy day. Just about to roll out. We have two dump beds, one machine, one mini excavator, and driveway side by side. So it's gonna be super easy. Gonna tear them out, hopefully get everything formed up and graded. And 28th we're pouring. Do a little cold start on the good old 7.3. I tried switching the wide view to the normal view in last video. You guys gotta let me know how it is, because when I was editing it, it cut out a lot of the things I was doing, like kind of down here, and you couldn't really see. I don't know if it was the angle of the GoPro or what, but I just switched it back to the wide view. All right, let's head on over to the drop site. We're gonna go ahead and try and get this concrete up. Oh, baby, look at that big chunk. Break it all up.
Before you do any of this down below here.
You gotta watch that when I pull it away. Oh God. This out. It's next to the garage, so we're gonna do that last. There's the first ever chunk of concrete going in the new trailer. Oh, nice. At least we're spending our money wisely, right? You're supposed to be keeping track of what we spend. Just gotta be careful with these old houses. Got their pillar here on the outside of the garage. Usually new houses, it's right there and inside. Old boards and rotted out boards, so we got to slowly pick this out. Since this driveway was so old, they put like an inch thick of self-leveling concrete on top, which is making it 6 inches thick, which sucks because that's some thick concrete right there. Wasn't in the bid, I didn't know, but it's whatever. Sketchy. The boss does not like this. She doesn't even care. Kona, stop him. All right, end of the dump. She only what?
Charges for one trailer.
What?
Didn't she say 2 yards and 2 yards?
Said 4 yards total. $200 a trailer, that's ridiculous. All right, so we got everything figured out. Anything above 3 feet, you know, is considered oversized, and their difference between oversized and regular sized concrete is like $60 a yard more, which is ridiculous. But we just didn't know that, so we're gonna load them a lot smaller and smaller chunks, and hopefully we'll probably save 500 bucks just on dump fees, just making them smaller. So my dad should already be starting on this. Yep, there he is. Wiggled this final piece out super carefully, didn't mess anything up. It's a big footing right there, that's what it was anchored onto. So cut it like a square and then slid her out. Didn't mess up any of this edge, which we're thankful for. So never seen concrete so thick. That's crazy. That's almost 10 inches thick. Back to back, loading them up. It's taking forever, this stuff's thick. Big one. Gotta get this curb out. Boys and girls, it's 3 o'clock. I'm hoping to get done here by 5. Dump closes at 5, so we don't got much more time. We got 2 more hours. The other driveway is half the size and half the thickness, so yeah, I'm hoping it just goes super fast. Alrighty, pull out this garage real quick. Pretty much have this first driveway down. We're grading it. Got string lines up on the side. It's final grade, so it's a little deep. We're just gonna backplate it all back, and that's gonna be great. Can you try and make a gap between the crack so I can claw it? I see it. Sitting in traffic, guys. Sitting in traffic. We're on our way to the last dump site. We have my dad's trailer that needs to be dumped. We're just gonna dump that when we go to drop off the excavator tonight. So hopefully this isn't too expensive. The last places we were going to, they were charging us about $100 a load. So hopefully this place doesn't charge us too much. Guys, 22 bucks a yard. I got charged for 2 yards. I paid like 38 bucks. And the other place was charging me around 100 bucks. That just goes to show, like, you know, always call before and ask for prices, because damn, dude, I just got robbed like at least 300 bucks. On our way back to the job site, just got to pick up one more load of concrete, grade everything out, and then just do a couple more things a different day before the pour, and pretty much we're ready. We do got to take out that curb too, so that'll be fun. I hate doing curb. at least taking it out. It sucks because curb's usually at least 16 to 18 inches thick, you know, so it anchors into the ground, but we'll get her done. All right, time to do some forms. Always nail high, so you have room to go down. Got two. These forms are grade. For this driveway, we're gonna go ahead, go over to the other driveway, get grade on that. Change of plans. I'm gonna go run this at the last dump site here. So it's gonna be an hour round trip. Hopefully my dad will have most of that knocked out. Oh shit. They were coming fast, that was not my fault. Anyways, I'll see you guys when we go to dump it. Gorgeous day out today. Amazing weather to demo some concrete. 4 low. Alrighty, we're heading out. Back to the drop site. Finished all up. Gonna come back tomorrow and grade it. Put some rock in. Alright, this hill I'm about to go up is pretty freaking gnarly, so that's why I'm recording right now. Last time I didn't make it up, I had to get towed up, but I think I was hauling an excavator, I don't remember. But we're pretty much gonna put it in low. Maybe right now. No, not right now. Sending it. Not even gonna put it in low. Just toasting my tranny right now. We're gonna put her in 4, just in case. Just in case. Tranny is not happy. This is John's house, by the way. We're building it right now. I think it's 9,990 square foot. Oh, we're good. My tires are just really bald, so like usually I wouldn't make it, but I made it. Tranny's not happy though. I'm pretty much for plastering the house right now. We built this whole thing. All 10,000 square foot of it, so super nice house. Probably have 6 months left. Vámonos. Good morning, everyone. It's the next day. We're getting some rock before we go to the job site, and yeah, so I'm gonna start up the old 7.3. Oh, I gotta clean this truck out, it's so dirty. All right, well, see you guys when we're getting rock. All right, just got to the rockery. This was the cheapest place I could find other than a big rock quarry pit by my house, but I already passed it, didn't feel like turning around. Hello. They're either on a phone or with a customer, so they'll be right with me. 5 purchases, 25%. I got a long ways to go. So I gotta spend $2,000 to get 200 bucks. 200 bucks off, so that's easy money for them. Maybe not me. Hello.
Hey, how are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing well. What are we needing?
4 yards of 3/8 or 3/4 minus.
Yeah, I think I just talked to
Yeah.
left-hand side of the stop sign, and we'll be right with you.
Okay, behind the dump truck?
You're gonna be on the other side.
Okay, sounds good.
Yeah, thank you.
Yep. She said left side of the stop sign. Am I wrong? Usually we'd get 5/8 minus. 5/8 minus is a little bit smaller than 3/4 minus. The reason why we use 5/8 minus is because when we go to compact it, it compacts a lot more fine rather than more void spaces with the bigger rock. But 3/4 minus is all they had, so that's what we're getting. A little bit further back, so it's a little bit bigger than 5/8, but it'll do. It's gonna be a heavy load. Alrighty, we're out of here. On to the job site. Alright, just got to the job site. Oh, what's up, Kona? Hey, Kona. Run a string line here. You got a chalk?
Measure, it's a 4-foot approach, so you got to take that measurement, add the piece to get to 4 foot.
From the asphalt? 4 foot?
Yeah.
Where's my tape? Always lose my tools. 4 foot approach from the asphalt. 4 foot. So this is where it's gonna start leveling out to the driveway. So I'm gonna need a 3 foot board. Alright guys, finished up setup, ready for pour. Just gotta put mesh in. Same with this side. We're all finished up. Alright guys, we're back home. That's gonna wrap up this video. Just need to rock one more driveway and then we're pouring Tuesday, so you guys are gonna see some footage on that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hit that subscribe button if you did enjoy. Give it a big thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next video.